Hello. Our plants are pretty sleepy at the moment, dormant, and so I'm just removing some of the old stuff. But I want to show you the difference between how we are going to propagate these herbaceous perennials that like to creep and crawl in meadows versus our shrubs that we really prefer to make cuttings of. So I'm going to focus today on the yarrow and the Artemisia ludovicii. They would either grow in meadows or in prairies. By noticing the habit of the plants, I'll know which way would be best to propagate them. I'm grabbing these runners that have come out here. I'm going to cut some off from the mother plant over here. What I'm doing is leave some of the mother plant in here because I'm going to take these to the nursery. I'm going to have a look that we can divide them up quite easily and then work out which bits we'll put in a pot all together. For the moment, I just want to propagate more, so I'm going to take the side shoots that are readily available. I'll show you with a yarrow. You can see she was more mature. She's had her flower over there. What you'd often do is take two forks at the same time and you allow this splitting open to do most of your labor. That will allow me then to chop up, divide, replant somewhere else again. So those big clumps have allowed me to really multiply many different parts here. Just ready to get going and expand to the garden areas that need new plants.